Hello students, in this video we are going to start new chapter. Its name is Fiber to Fabric and this chapter is in chemistry. As you know that it is related with the material and material, that's why this chapter is in chemistry. What do you mean by material and all? So in this chapter we are going to talk about clothing material, means the material we use to wear, that is called fabric. So fabric, what are the fabrics, how do we obtain this fabric, what are the processes, okay, and what are its properties, that things we are going to understand in this chapter, and hence it is in chemistry. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I will going to tell you that whenever you used to go for the shopping, especially for buying garments, so at that time you will going to touch it and find it out that which material is this, is it comfortable to you or not. Okay, so you will going to choose the garment and the fabric according to the occasion. Like for the daily wear you will going to wear cotton, then currently the monsoon season is going on, so you will going to select either georgette or rayon or polyester. Likewise for the occasional purpose, for the function purpose, you will going to select like velvet or silk or net or any other. So you can see that in the market varieties of fabric are available. So how do we get this fabric? So these fabrics are made up of the very basic thing, its name is fiber. So there is a journey which starts from fiber and end to the fabric. So to understand this journey, we have to perform an activity. In that, what you have to do, you have to pick out one old cloth, okay, which is not currently in a use. Now what you have to do, you have to pull out a thread from that cloth. आपको एक बहुत पुराना सा एक कपड़ा लेना है जो अभी यूज़ में नहीं है. अब आपको उसके अंदर से एक थ्रेड को पिक करना है, खींच के बाहर निकालना है. So you will get a structure like this which is given in the diagram number 2 which is on the right side. So you can see that the thread, अगर आप thread को magnifying glass से देखेंगे so आपको कुछ इस तरीके का structure है वो देखने को मिलेगा. Now if you will going to observe it with the help of magnifying glass, you will get to know that this long strong thread is made up of 2 to 3 thin strands, and these strands are nothing but the fiber. Okay, let me going to show you in the diagram number 2. Okay, so आपको बहुत easily समझ में आए what is fiber, what is yarn and what is fabric. So for that हम लोगों ने किया है कि over here this is a rope. Okay, हमने rope और शुरू से thread को pull out करके निकाल दिया. अब आपको क्या करना है कि आप जब उसको मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि वो 2 या 3 चीज़ों से, 2 या 3 पतली पतली हेयर लाइक स्ट्रैंड जैसा है उसको ट्विस्ट करके बनाया गया है. जब आप उसको अनट्विस्ट करेंगे तो आपको ऐसे फाइन छोटे छोटे हेयर जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखेगा. इस हेयर जैसे स्ट्रक्चर को बोलते हैं FIBRE फाइबर. एंड ये जो स्ट्रॉन्ग लॉन्ग कंटिन्यूअस स्ट्रक्चर था इसको बोलते हैं YARN यान. एंड ये यान को जब कंबाइन करते हैं तो वी विल गेट अ सब्सटेंस नेम एज फैब्रिक. Got it? So 3 steps are there. Fiber, if you combine the fiber you will get a yarn, and if you combine the yarn then you will get fabric. Understand? Okay, so moving to the next one, the question arises, what is fiber? So if you untwist the yarn, so you will get very thin hair like strands. It is called as fibers, and fiber is used to manufacturing the yarn, or should I say fabric. If you see, these hair like strands are very weak in nature. Okay, so from that we can't directly make the fabric, we have to process it. So for providing the strength, we are going to combine 2 to 3 hair like strand and going to twist it so that we will get a long strong continuous thread, and this is called yarn. and the process of making yarn from the fibers is called spinning process. In the spinning process, they are going to take 2 to 3 hair like strands, twist it so that it will get a long and strong continuous yarn. Moving to the next one is fabric. So when you will going to combine the fabric yarns together, whether it is in a horizontal vertical manner or just by making various kinds of loops, you will get a structure which is named as fabric, and this fabric is nothing but a cloth material that we use to wear it. So various kinds of fabrics are there in the market. Examples are cotton, silk, wool, nylon, polyester. So as you know that fabrics are having various types, so basically from the base we can say that there are various kinds of fibers are available. From that different fabric can be formed. So basically there are two types of fiber over here. Number one is classified into natural fiber. Second one is synthetic fiber. Now what is natural fiber? Natural fiber means the fiber which obtained from the nature. मतलब nature में से आपको जो fiber मिलता है that is called natural fiber. Or you can speak like this way, the fiber that you get from plants and animals. That are called natural fibers. What is synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber means man made fibers. मीन्स हम लोग वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ केमिकल्स को मिक्सअप करके जो फाइबर्स बनाते हैं दैट विल बी कंसिडर एज अ सिंथेटिक फाइबर. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Now I will start to teach you about plant fiber. What are the example of plant fiber and what is the meaning of plant fiber? So plant fiber means the fiber that you get from the plants. For example, cotton. For example, hemp, H-E-M-P, hemp. Then C-O-I-R, coir, which is obtained from the coconut plant. Then second one is jute. So total 4 are there examples of plant fibers. Number 1 is cotton, number 2 is jute, number 3 is hemp, number 4 is coir. Now what is cotton, what is coir, hemp, jute, I will going to explain you in the next class. But over here I am going to teach you about animal fiber. So animal fiber means animal fiber means the fiber that you get from the animals. So first example is wool. In the winter season we used to wear sweaters, jackets, shawls, scarf which is made up of wool. It is obtained from goat, sheep, yak, camel, rabbit, etc. So this one is considered as animal fiber. Second one is silk. Silk is obtained from an insect which is named as silkworm. So from the silkworm we get silk, hence it is called animal fiber. Now moving to the next one is a synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. Now synthetic fiber means man-made fiber. Now what are the example of synthetic fiber? So examples are rayon, जो कॉटन जैसा दिखता है बट कॉटन नहीं होता है। नायलॉन, जिसका यूज़ हम लोग मॉस्किटो से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो इससे बनता है, या फ़िश कैचिंग के लिए जो नेट होती है वो भी इससे बनती है। हमारे जो स्विमिंग सूट है वो भी इनसे बनते हैं। सो रेयॉन, नायलॉन, पोलिएस्टर, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, etc. So these are the synthetic fibers. So hope you understood the examples of synthetic fiber. Okay, now this chapter actually is in a continuation manner. In the 6th standard you will going to understand about plant fiber. In the 7th standard you will learn about animal fiber, and in the 8th standard you will learn about synthetic fiber. So we will going to continue it in the next next classes. Okay, so till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye.